So we're going to bring the whole thing this way. Right. Oh, yep. It's going to. Right, up at that.
How can you explain the fact that there is no washer on your...
This is a special advanced type of bolt.
Pivoting on the steel one, I think.
Yeah, it probably is. It's slightly loose here. It's not taking any weight there.
The steel's still up, I think.
I think that
The steel's up.
it's this special here.
Is that we would need to have, we can get the fuselage, this is what I've told him, if we want space for the fuselage, to rig the fuselage with the cabanes and everything to be able to take it in and out.
Yeah.
Now whether we can get the wings on, we could do the wings inside where we were today,
Yeah.
but you wouldn't get them out the doors. You know, you've got 30 odd feet width with the wings on. So, but certainly you could get the fuselage finished there, and you can get there by car from here and straight across. You could
That
do.
would be absolutely wonderful.
And the runways are
And the runways, of course, they're tarmac,
200 metres away from the door.
so you need to put a car string
Still
wheel on.
got too many hairpin bends, is it?
Oh, don't worry about them. You got.
We still need a
You got a
trail.
tail skid.
Yeah, exactly.
You'll be all right. No, you'll be okay. And you, but the thing is that if in fact he can accommodate us, that would be ideal for
Oh,
us.
it would, no doubt.
Especially as you can get by car.
Yes.
Oh, you can see it from here.
And it's not a major problem not being able to have it in there with its wings on. I mean,
You could have the wings on in there, but to get it out, you need to take the wings off.
Well, it's the same with Doodle.
But then if you were going to get it out,
once everything's set up, getting wings on and off isn't that major problem.
well, I'm convinced this was done for air, for naval anyway, with those pull pins.